Inclusive Design for a Digital World is a title of a book published in 2019 by a design and user experience author and educator, Regine Gilbert at New York University. In the book, Gilbert defines accessibility as something that is adapted so that people with disabilities can access them with ease or equally as everyone else. Gilbert describes a disability as having an impairment that limits a person's physical, mental, or sensory function. Some common types of disabilities are visual. This impairment causes the inability to visibly see objects, perceive light or color, or correctly judge distances. Mobile. This impairment refers to physical inability involving hands, feet, arms, or legs. Auditory. This impairment includes total deafness or varying degrees of hearing loss. The past, present, and future of accessibility. In the past, President George W. Bush administered the ADA, the Americans with Disabilities Act, in 1990. This civil right increases access and opportunities for people with disabilities across community life. In the present, many countries globally have also followed mandating accessibility. In the last 20 years, accessibility lawsuits increased drastically by 181%. Many individuals and companies pursued legal action for inaccessibility. This wake-up call puts an emphasis on the digital era, which is undeniably becoming a necessity. For the future, Gilbert proposes that frameworks get everyone on the same page. James Vinay and Regine Gilbert introduced the EVV-CC framework, which stands for Empathy, Values, Vision, Context, and Communication, and which helps build a vision for the future of designing for a digital world. For more information about Regine Gilbert's book, Inclusive Design for a Digital World, please visit www.reginegilbert.com.